Today's students won't just use AI, they'll grow up with it. So the real question isn't, should schools teach AI? It's, how should schools prepare students for an AI future? I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping learning, work, and human life. Today, we're rethinking education for an AI-powered world. Preparing students for AI doesn't mean adding more coding classes. Technology changes fast. What lasts are human skills. Schools shouldn't just teach how to use tools. They should teach how to think in a world full of AI. In an AI future, the most valuable skills aren't technical, they're human. Critical thinking, questioning AI outputs, creativity, imagining what AI can't, ethical reasoning, knowing what should be done, not just what can, collaboration, working with humans and AI tools, adaptability, learning how to learn again and again. AI handles information. Humans handle judgment. Students don't need to build AI, but they do need to understand it. They should learn how AI is trained, where bias comes from, why AI can be wrong, and when not to rely on it. AI literacy is the new digital literacy. In an AI-driven world, education's role shifts. It's no longer about memorizing facts, it's about curiosity, values, and perspective. The future belongs to students who can think with AI, not compete against it. So how should schools prepare students for an AI future? By teaching them how to think, not just what to know. If you care about learning, technology, and the future of humanity, subscribe to SynthiaTek, where education meets intelligence.